shift our focus to Tamil Nadu. The exit polls are out and the predictions are in. It seems like the unthinkable has happened. The poll of polls points to a neck-and-neck fight between the DMK and the AIADMK and allies, with a thin edge for MK Stalin's party. But that's not all. The TVK is also expected to put up a decent show, potentially emerging as a key factor in a tight race. Many are saying he could be the kingmaker. Vijay, the TVK chief, actor turned Neta Vijay. Now, is Tamil Nadu heading for a political shake-up? We don't know, but just take a look at the numbers first, because these numbers are very interesting and numbers are also revealing a big story. The magic number is 118, and this is a snapshot of poll of polls of Tamil Nadu. So, when you look at DMK and allies, then the range is about 114 to 128. For AIADMK and allies, the range is 79 to 91. So most exit polls, in fact, have shown a comfortable comeback of the DMK. But there's something interesting happening here as far as TVK is concerned. If you look at the poll of polls numbers right now, there is 23 to 30. That's the range that TVK could be looking at. But I want to focus specifically on what Axis My India has predicted. And if this is true, if this is something that we will actually see happening, then it could really change the entire story. Let's quickly go back to that poll of polls page once again, because the Axis My India number is very interesting. I would request the studio director to just go back to that poll of polls page right now, because we want to quickly highlight the Axis My India, because there lies the big twist. Now, if you look at Axis My India specifically, DMK is seen getting seats in the range of 92 to 110. AIADMK 22 to 32, but look at TVK, what Axis My India is giving to TVK, 98 to 120. If this happens, then it's going to be, transformational for Tamil Nadu politics. Remember, ever since J. Lalita and M. Karunanidhi passed away, many political pundits have also felt that there is a void right now that Tamil Nadu politics is seeing, because Tamil Nadu is used to seeing actors turning great politicians. We've seen some great examples, and after J. Lalita and M. Karunanidhi, many actors have tried their hands, but they could not really succeed, and that's why all eyes are now going to be on TVK chief Vijay. Now, we have some more breaking inputs coming in at this point in time. TVK chief Vijay is likely to meet all 234 candidates of his party at 1:30 this afternoon. So a key huddle before the result day is something that's lined up. Actor turned politician Vijay's TVK is set for a blockbuster performance in Tamil Nadu Assembly polls. Now, this is according to Axis My India exit poll, which I just now showed you. Now, this also suggests that the party is poised to get as much vote share as DMK in its debut election itself. Listen in to this reaction.
This existing poll, we are just ignoring it. I'm sure we are going to sweep this election by above 170 or above 140. We studied very well. We had our personal survey. We are sure about minimum 45% vote banking. It is not between 20 to 25. So I don't interested to listen this all. 108 hours to go for the election counting. From this moment, 5 nights are there, 4 daytime is there. Total together, it can be 108 hours. 109th hour, we are in the winning race. We are going to take the vote. Our Sir, our Talaivar will become Chief Minister. Extraordinarily, it can be 50 times, I'm assuring.
Let's go across to my colleague Dharini, joining us live right now for more on this. Dharini, the exit poll numbers by Axis My India specifically are looking quite encouraging for TVK, and following these numbers, we're also getting to know there's going to be a crucial meeting of TVK members at 1:30 this afternoon.
Well, definitely, while many pollsters have given a figure between 5 to 25 to Vijay Tamilaka Vetrikalagam, Axis My India's prediction is quite interesting, because they're giving up to 120 seats for Vijay's TVK, and following this afternoon around 1:30, Vijay will be meeting all the 234 candidates of his party at the party headquarters, and we're given to understand through sources that this is more like a courtesy meet in which Vijay will be speaking to all the candidates, and he'll be trying to understand the ground in their respective constituencies post polls, and he'll also get to know what is the scene in all the 234 assembly constituencies from the respective candidates is what we're given to understand. And of course, Vijay will also be giving them advice on what should be done on the counting day, how things should be done on the counting day, how the candidates and the booth level workers, how they should be aware and how they should be acting on the counting day is something that Vijay will give us an advice to these people is what we're given to understand. So this meeting will take place at 1:30 p.m. and it is also important to remember that Vijay just had visited Shirdi Sai Baba temple and also the Tiruchendur Murugan temple. So he was on a temple run for the last 3 days, and following that he's going to have this meeting, and subsequently on May 4 when the results come, definitely this is the most unpredictable elections for Tamil Nadu in recent times, and the results definitely will look surprising.
Thank you very much, Dharini. Appreciate you joining us with your input on this story. With this, we will slip into another very, very short break. We'll be back with lots more. Stay with us.